Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Division Rivals coins in FIFA Mobile. Division Rivals is a core competitive mode where you test your skills against other players. By participating in matches, you'll climb through various divisions, earning valuable rewards along the way. Coins are one of the most important rewards, allowing you to upgrade your team, acquire new players, and enhance your overall gameplay experience. Let's dive into the steps to maximize your coin earnings. To start earning, navigate to the Division Rivals section from your main FIFA Mobile menu. Here, you can choose between head-to-head or versus attack modes, each offering a unique gameplay experience. Head-to-head is a full match against another player, while versus attack focuses on offensive chances. Winning these matches is crucial, as it earns you points that contribute to your current division and overall ranking. Consistent play is key to progression. Division Rivals rewards are distributed weekly, typically every Thursday, based on your final division ranking. The higher your division, the greater the coin payout you will receive. For instance, reaching the legendary 1 division can net you hundreds of thousands of coins, along with other valuable items. Even in lower divisions, you'll still earn a substantial amount, so every match counts towards your weekly earnings. To maximize your Division Rivals coin income, consistency is paramount. Play several matches daily to maintain or improve your division rank. Always strive for promotion to the next division, as the coin rewards increase significantly with each tier. Additionally, remember to complete your daily and weekly quests, as these often provide bonus coins and other valuable resources that complement your Division Rivals earnings. Keep playing and building your dream team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.